goal with this activity is to really work them phenomenal abdominals. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get in the quadruped position, just like I am right here. And then once you're in the quadruped position, folks, what you're going to do is you're going to hike one hip up. In this case, I'm going to do my left hip like this. So that way I'm balancing only on my right leg, just like that. Now, when I do the hip hike, you're not just like lifting your leg off the ground or doing a fire hydrant exercise. Nothing wild and crazy like that, folks. What you want to do is you want to shift your hips so the left hip is higher than the right in this case. And as I do that, my knee is going to be pushed into the ground. So I kind of feel like a little bit of glute kicking in on that side. Once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to get a nice easy reach, subtle tuck of the hips. I got that hike. Exhale. Then, as you walk out, you're going to keep on one leg. You want to take a breath of air in. Walk out as far as you can maintain that tuck and exhale position. Walk it back. And you're just going to rinse and repeat. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.